Carrier 25HPA536A0030010 outside unit. Circuit board yellow LED flashing continuous. Red LED off. Pump and fan not working.
Did you double-check the thermostat? And what about the unit's filters?
Thermostat set to cool. Filter is new.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
How can I diagnose problem and replace bad parts?
Hi, I'm Tim and I'm an HVAC expert here to assist you with your questions. Please provide all information I request as it makes it more difficult to troubleshoot something when I'm not there on site. Essentially, you become my eyes and ears. Thanks for the opportunity to help. Please be patient as many times we work with several customers at once. Have you tried resetting the power to both inside and outside unit? If not, let's try that.
Both have circuit breakers. Switch them off and then on. The only change is, yellow LED was flashing rapidly continuously is now solid on.
I don't immediately have the information on that LED in the status codes. Can you check on that module or board or nearby? Let's find out what the solid yellow LED means.
There is a chart inside the panel with fault definition and flash code. It does not specify the red or yellow LED. The closest one is on no flash equals standby. Also says something about using a jumpered test pin. Is this helpful? Tim, I have some new information. Yellow LED flashes 7 quick, then pause, then 2 longer flashes. If this is code 72 on my inside panel chart, that is thermal cutout. How do I reset or fix thermal cutout?
Usually by resetting it by breaker as you have done. If it is not resetting, your compressor has an internal thermal cutout that may have tripped. Are the condenser coils clean? Condenser fan running when unit is on?
Condenser coils appear clean. Condenser fan not running. Pump not running. Can I access internal thermal cutout?
Nope, it's internal to compressor. Give the unit time to cool down. In the meantime, put a spray attachment on the garden hose and starting from the top down, slowly rinse water through all the condenser fins. Then when sufficient time has lapsed, reset and note if condenser fan comes on when compressor starts.
By reset do you mean turn the breaker back on? I assume I should cut the power to the condenser before spraying with water.
It's not on anyways, right? It doesn't matter, these units are waterproof. Yes, reset means turn power off and back on. This will be after you spray out, wait a while.
Okay, coils were very clean. Can see daylight through everywhere. Clean them anyway with hose from inside out and outside in. Wiped out all water and let air dry. Reset both breakers and turn thermostat to cool. Still no run on pump and fan. Have new code 82 equals thermal lockout. What else can I try? What is thermal lockout?
It means the unit is locked out due to high temperature. or there may be a bad switch. Either way, you will probably need to bring in a pro at this point. We have cleaned the coils, reset several times, and allowed unit to cool down.
What do techs do to test circuit board? Are there jumper terminals, dip switches, or other things to try?
It's not a problem with circuit board. Your thermal switch is locking the unit out. It may be a bad switch or the unit may still be hot. The high pressure switch is brazed into the system and requires a lengthy process and special equipment to replace. We have covered all the basic stuff here. It may be time to bring in a professional.
This is the same thing that failed only 1 year ago. I should not have to pay for a second one this soon. Agree.
I agree. Have you contacted that company yet?
I have not. Closed Sunday. Can you suggest how I word the email? Any insight about carrier thermal overload switch failures? Can I get another brand that is designed better? Any suggestions appreciated? Warren.
I know these newer systems contain more sensors, boards, more stuff to go wrong. I personally don't like, nor do I sell, carrier equipment. If I was wording the email, I would tell them about the troubleshooting techniques we went through today, that you have a previous history of having issues with this and feel it should be covered under some kind of warranty.
Thanks for advice. If I were to replace my system, outside unit, what brand and model do you recommend? I'm almost tempted to find a reconditioned older unit without a computer.
I sell both root and ream equipment and this is reasonably priced, but good equipment. Much less expensive than carrier.
Okay, thanks for your help. Can I reopen this thread, or contact you again for further advice on this same issue if something else comes up? If so, how do I contact you again? Warren.
Let me know if you have additional questions. Otherwise, good luck. Otherwise, experts work at their own time and expense. Feel free to post back with any more questions. Remember, you can rate question at any point and still ask more questions, related to the same thing, later on. Experts prefer if you rate question at the end of our first chat.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.